The world's loudest animal is the sperm whale, whose clicks can reach up to 230 decibels. These powerful sounds are used for echolocation, a process by which the whale emits a sound and then listens for the echo to determine the location of objects in its environment. Sperm whale clicks can be heard from hundreds of kilometers away and are an important tool for communication and navigation. Understanding the vocalizations of sperm whales and other marine mammals is crucial for conservation efforts and the protection of our oceans. For more interesting daily videos, follow the link below in the description. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.